everyone, welcome back to another video. You know what? Today I'm going to share something interesting with you. And I have been doing this since 2018. Yes, it's a long time. But what I'm going to share has helped me build my career and be successful in it. So our today's topic is how to use a planner. What is a planner? Planning is everything. So 90% is your planning and 10% is your execution in your personal and your professional life. That's what I believe. Planner is a book that includes dated, undated pages. It includes some activity pages. It includes dates to remember, months to remember, month at a glance, health tracker, and much more. Now I have a planner that I would like to share. Don't worry, I'll be linking this in the description box. This is a gift that I received from my brother. And it's a Doodle Collection planner and it's a yearly planner. And I believe yearly planner is something which is a good one because it's like all-purpose and multi-purpose thing. One book is handy and you can do it everything in it. From your sleeping tracker, from your water tracker, from your activities, from your monthly goals, from your goal setting for the years, each and everything under this one book that is a planner. It can inculcate in fact everything that you have in your mind, whether it is decluttering your mind, whether it is scribbling out, whether it is just doodling, or whether it is being creative with calligraphy, whether it is putting a challenge, or whether writing a motivational quote, or whether it is gratitude, you're thanking someone. Okay, now coming to gratitude, please let me know if you know something about gratitude and what is gratitude. And if you want me to make a video on gratitude, please comment below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Trainophile. Gratitude is nothing but it's the form of returning kindness and show appreciation. So if you know anything more about it, please comment below. Basically, a planner should be used to be more productive, effective, efficient, and having some fun. Keep it simple, yet be consistent to reap the benefits over time. Why I am saying this is, initially क्या होता है, I have seen many people because बहुत फैंसी दिखता है, काफ़ी कलरफुल होता है, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें रेडीमेड होती है. सो until they buy, they are excited, and once they are done, एक महीना हो जाता है, then it is somewhere in the cupboard, lying down with a lot of dirt. If that is going to happen, then it is not going to work. It is never going to be productive, neither effective and neither efficient. So if you want this to make changes in your life, if you want this and you be successful, then you have to use it and remain consistent with it and stick to it. Keep it like a glue. Keep it with you all the time whenever you travel and wherever you travel. So here I am sharing what planner I am using for 2022 and more, and the link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video.